Cold start. So, we got a package, but you guys already know because I showed it to you guys in the last video. In the last video, I mentioned that we had some LED headlights to install on the sedan. I've had these sitting around for months, bro. I was gonna do them in the last video, but I decided that I think these deserve a dedicated video, and you're gonna see why. So, Boslla? B-O-S-L-L-A sent these LED headlights out for me about, I want to say 3 months ago. I don't know, it's been freaking forever, bro. They sent them out for a review, so they hooked us up, man, and we're gonna check them out. This is where I gotta do that basic ass YouTuber shit, so bear with me, bro. I'm gonna try to do it as quickly as I possibly can. So here's my stock headlights. I'll shut off the lights inside of my garage so that you can see them a little bit better. You see how dated they look? I mean, they're just like so freaking yellow. Boslla B-O-S-L-L-A promises me that these are gonna be just such a much higher quality light coming from our headlights once we do this conversion. Now, this is obviously plug and play. It's very simple. We're just gonna pull our stock OEM light bulb out of our headlights, and then as soon as we do that, we'll install our Boslla B-O-S-L-L-A light emitting diode into our headlights, and it's gonna give us such a much crisper quality light, and of course it's gonna be so much safer for the road. Dude, if you're watching Deadbeat Garage, brother, I hope that you know how to take a damn headlight bulb out and put another one in. It is what it is, man. I'm gonna go ahead and yank out the stock ones, and then we're gonna throw these guys in and see what they're all about, bro. Alright, so I installed the driver's side just so we can do a comparison. Obviously, this is that crisp white LED, and this is the factory bulb, which just looks disgusting in comparison, right? I mean, we all know that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the passenger side bulb in, and then I'm gonna show you guys something that I literally have never seen before, bro. This is one of the best LED headlights that you can buy for your car. I'm gonna say that hands down, and that is my true opinion right now. Remember, these guys did send me these bulbs for free for a review, but they're not paying me, you know what I'm saying? They sent me free bulbs for a honest review, and if I think they're garbage, then I'm gonna tell you guys they're garbage. But what what B-O-S-L-L-A has done with their headlight system, I genuinely think is gonna blow your mind, bro. You're gonna want a set of these for your car. Nasty poo-poo headlight. How did it get so hot so fast? Nasty poo-poo headlight bulb. B-O-S-L-L-A bulb. Don't forget to remove the safety cap. Oh, dude, what the hell? That was glass. Plug it in, plug it in. Non-poopy. So, there they are, dude. Most certainly a much better quality light than our factory lights, of course. I mean, you guys already knew that. But wait, Bossla's claim to fame here is they say that they are the world's first 4-color LED system. And if you don't believe me, there it is right there on the side of the box. World's first 4-color LED. So basically what you do here is you just cycle through the on and off switch, and you do it quickly, and it changes the color of the LED, bro. So when you first turn it on, you have your standard like really crisp white, or maybe you can consider that blue, I don't know. It's just a crisp standard LED color. And then all you do is just cycle this really fast, and off, on. So now it's kind of more of a yellow. Like I would say that this is kind of stock-ish, you know, for kind of that more stock looking light. But I mean, obviously it's still an LED, so it is a lot better than the standard bulbs that we just took out. But it's not as bright and like that. God, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I think you guys know. You guys get it, right? But that is the second color. You cycle it one more time. And now you just, holy crap, dude, that is sick. Then they turn to just straight yellow. I mean, the ricer in me freaking loves that, bro. That's freaking badass. And of course, I mean, if you're dealing with fog, you know, it's obviously a good thing for fog as well. So, and that's basically the 3 colors. But if you cycle it one more time, it also has this flashing mode, where your headlights just sit there and flash. So, you know, you could use that as a safety thing or as a ricer thing, whatever it is you want to do. I think it kind of looks cool if you kick the brights on. So when you kick the brights on, so now your brights are on and you have the flashing yellow. So then they can actually tell that you're not just sitting there turning your headlights on and off. Dude, that is genuinely the first time I've ever seen something like this. And I had no idea. Whenever I was shooting that last video and I was like, we're gonna throw the LEDs in this video, I read this and I seen that it said that it does all this, and I was like, holy crap, dude, that is really badass. And I feel so horrible for taking such a long time to get to these, to get to installing these. So Boslla, if I'm pronouncing the name of your company correctly, I'm not sure. Most certainly shoot me an email and let me know if I am pronouncing it incorrectly. Thank you guys so much. You guys, I am going to be putting the link in the description down below where you guys can get some of these headlights. I most certainly want to get some of these for the hatch now as well, dude, because that is just so unique. Like, I've genuinely never seen that before, man. So I hope you guys are as stoked about that as I am. I genuinely think that that is badass. Thank you once again to Boslla. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car out in the driveway, shut the garage, and give you guys a little bit better of a look of the light. You know what I'm saying? You know, basic shit. So peace out, guys. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up if you did, and if you guys want a set of these, hit that link in the description down below and go grab some, man. Peace. Do you guys hear the fan? They have a little fan on them, dude. That's pretty cool. And now I definitely need to get a set for the hatch, bro.